everyone, it's Andrew Howell here from Remax Sarnia Realty. I'm super excited to introduce you to my newest listing, 1973 Clarence Street. I'd like to tell you my top 5 favorite things about this beautiful property. And coming in at number 1 is this fantastic backyard overlooking the Howard Watson Nature Trail.
Reaching out, but I can't fly. You said you'd follow.
And at the heart of every home is, of course, the kitchen. Highlight number 2 is this amazing open concept kitchen dining room with a brand new kitchen with quartz countertops. And highlight number 3 is this incredible addition featuring an open concept design to your new kitchen, a fireplace. It also has main floor laundry and another full 3-piece bathroom. Highlight number 4 is this beautiful entertainment area with a custom bar and a perfect spot to catch the game. And coming in last but not least is number 5. This wonderful location just down the road from Clarence Park and just a stroll away from Blackwell Beach.